Renting just got easier. Thank you for your interest in our management services. Please keep watching to get to know what makes us the best choice in the Treasure Valley. Experience you can trust. Over 30 years of experience, locally owned and operated, physical office location in the heart of Boise. Talk to an actual person with great staff to unit ratio, 49 compared to the industry standard of 100. Legal and fair housing compliance, NARPM, National Association of Residential Property Managers, designated company and staff. Second to none service. We have a 4.1 Google rating with almost 900 reviews and counting, owner and resident online portals, renovation services, 24 business hours or less response time standard, in-person showing agents and self-guided tours for pre-qualified applicants, after-hours emergency maintenance hotline, in-house maintenance handyman services. Results that can't be beat. 99.9% of rents collected compared to a 95% industry standard, 77% lease renewal rate compared to a 60% industry standard, 1.4% average vacancy rate compared to a 7% industry standard, owner per unit income increasing while per unit expenses decreasing, 3-year average income increase of 6%, 3-year average expense decrease of 3%, first page Google Places and Google search placement. What makes us different? No application fees for prospective residents, thorough resident screening process, 0.1% eviction rate compared to a 2.5 industry average, comprehensive marketing strategy, includes photos, virtual tours, floor plans with dimensions, virtual staging, listed on Zillow and over 50 other websites, and social media exposure. Pre-lease units before existing residents vacate, proactive and preventative approach to maintenance instead of reactive, bi-monthly exterior property inspections with reporting and pictures. Protection you can count on. Resident protection package includes tenant liability insurance to reduce claims on the owner's insurance, on-demand pest control to keep your properties pest-free, and furnace filters delivered to your property's front doors every 60 days to reduce wear and tear on their HVAC systems, plus much more. Minimum insurance requirements for all of our owners, vendors, and even ourselves, consistent monitoring of the ever-changing local, state, and federal legislation. Prices that will surprise you. Our cost strategy is more of an all-inclusive and transparent approach. Management fees range from 6 to 9% of rents collected depending on number of doors and property condition, location, and age, compared to a 10% industry average. Lease up and lease renewal costs of $50 per occurrence compared to the $500 industry average. Advertising costs of $40 per week prorated by day. End of year reporting costs of $25 per property annually. Ready to make the next move? Contact us. Give us a call at 208-321-1900, then press 5, or you're welcome to email our management team. We look forward to making your life easier.